Hi guys, and welcome to another RC Plane Guy video, and this time it's the Marlin Maiden Flight. So in the last video, if you saw it on the channel, we just went through the unboxing of it and just basic setup, and then today in this video we're going to be taking it for its first flight. So yeah, this was taken at the recent Easter bank holiday weekend at my club up north in Winterton, which is a kind of a members camping event, and yeah, it was a great chance for it. The weather was great, so yeah, we went for it. Let's see how we get on. So as you can see from the video, the Maiden Flight went well, and it survived the weekend because it's still here in my hands now. So yeah, after the video of the Maiden, I made a few kind of slight adjustments and played around with some kind of flap settings. So I set up some flight modes and trimmed the positions for the flaps, stage 1 and 2. And played around with Expo and yeah, got a good few more flights in after that. So pretty happy with it now. One of the flights did have a bit of a bumpy landing. I don't know if you can quite see there, but the end of the nose did just happen to bounce a little bit too much and hit the ground. I think that's a mixture of the landing gear being quite sensitive and the ground was hard, and mainly my error probably with flying it. I was messing about with the flaps and yeah, just completely messed up one of the landings and it bounced a bit too much. But nothing a little bit of glue couldn't solve, and that's the beauty of these kind of type of foamy models. They're so easy to fix with a bit of glue majority of the time, and unless you absolutely stove it into the floor, which we try not to do. But yeah, so all good. I'm just debating what to do with the landing gear. So you can, quite a few people take these off and just kind of make them a model that you can chuck and land, just flop it into the ground, which I'm debating doing. I'm just not a massive fan of throwing models for launching. I just think it's going to end in disaster, but I find it a lot easier if a model has wheels and can take off itself. But yeah, I need to have a think about what I want to do with that and go from there. But in all, I'm calling it a success, and yeah, very happy with it. It's a great all-round model that I would just be able to chuck in the car or the van wherever I'm going for a quick, easy fly, and it'll pretty much fly out of anywhere. So yeah, very happy and looking forward to many more flights. See you next time. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to keep up to date on all the latest videos. And don't forget, it's free, so you have no excuse. Make sure to drop a comment in the video or drop me a message to let me know if you'd like to see anything else in my videos. And if you haven't already, follow the link tree either in my profile or usually in the description of the video that will take you to an online portal to access any of my other social media channels. I post a lot on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, whatever it may be that you're on, I'm on it. So go on and follow it. As quite often my content varies from platform to platform. I don't often post the same stuff, so be sure to follow in them all. If you're on Facebook, be sure to check out the brand new RC Plane Guy Community Facebook group, which is a whole new space I've created primarily for you as the viewers, and to be able to interact with each other, comment, post your own photos and videos, share that experience and knowledge that's out there. I know there's so many different aspects of the hobby out there, and it's great to see everyone enjoying it and showcasing it for yourselves. So make sure you join the group and post some content, because it's great to see, and I really want to build that into a great place